Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, December 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, the Aussie dollar's been pushing down really strong, and the fact that it's so far below the 78% makes me think that it is going to turn into an expanding correction, which means it will probably most likely go out and take out both of these lows before it actually does start that big rally to the upside that we've been waiting for. So going down to the weekly time frame, like I said, on the weekly, we are closing well below the 78%, which is normally a pretty good sign that it will take out the 100% and potentially keep on going. Now, that doesn't mean that it might not end up going up. Today is non-farm payroll, so it definitely could make a move up. But I think if anything, it will make a lower high, and just keep on trending down at this point. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, for me, the last swing that would confirm that the move down is over is right here. If price comes up and breaks that with momentum, then I'll definitely switch it up and I'll definitely start looking for longs. Otherwise, I am definitely still primarily on the short side. I mean, the trend is down, the market flow is down. I think that we need to be trading with the trend and with the flow, so we should definitely still be looking for shorts at shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. So even on the 4 hour time frame, it kind of looks like it needs to keep going down. It looks like a 1, 2, 3. It looks like an ABC of 4. It looks like we're potentially in a move to the downside for like a wave 5 maybe. But like I said, the fact that we're closing so far below the 78% makes me think that it will potentially keep on going. Even if it does make a move to the upside today at the non-farm payroll, I think that move will be temporary, and I think that will continue the downtrend when it's ready. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, it looks to me like it's already made an ABC correction. I mean, it looks like an A, it looks like a B, it looks like a C. 50% fib bounce of the last push down. Looks like the end of a correction already. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it popped up with the news just to grab some liquidity, but I think the trend is down. I know the trend is down on the daily time frame, so I definitely am primarily only looking for shorts, and I'm only looking to go short on pullbacks. So I definitely wouldn't try to go short right now. I would only try to go short if it made a push to the upside and then reversed back to the downside. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.